Good morning everyone. Today we shall see how to configure Astronvim according to your own needs and set up Lua snippets inside of Astronvim. So to configure Astronvim, preferably do not edit the original configuration and add all the changes you want into a user directory inside of the Lua folder. So we'll just uh, inside of this we shall make a directory user. So first of all, I'll just move my current user directory someplace else. And now we'll create a user directory and we'll head inside of it. Currently it is empty, as you can see. So we shall initialize that folder by creating an init.lua file inside of it. So we've created the Lua file. Here is where we shall store all the changes we want to make inside of this user directory. Just make sure to source any files you use here inside of the init.lua. Now as for the changes I want to make, I would like to change the color scheme to Monokai Pro and add Lua Snips to use snippets inside of Neovim. I also want to add a Python code interpreter, but that'll be up for the next part. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. So we'll edit our inner.lua and it's giving me errors just now. So let's see what the problem is. We have this. Okay. We have dot user. There should not be any issues. So what is it telling us again? So bootstrap attempt to index local settings boolean. Alright, I guess it should work once we write something inside of our init.lua. So head back to user ls. Yeah, we have our init.lua. So for now we'll just vim init.lua, and inside of it we'll return all the values we want for different things. So first of all, we would install Monokai to be used as a theme for Neovim. So first of all, we will return okay. Inside of it, we'll take the variable plugins and add it to be returned when the file is called. So plugins. Inside of it, now here we shall add all of the plugins we want. So all right. Okay, Vim is, I have not configured my Vim, so sorry for the delay. So LOCTVL 842, I guess, slash monokai pro dot nvim, comma, okay, config is equal to function require monokai pro dot setup end, and we'll move all of this one indentation higher, and this should add this plugin inside of it. Now what we will do is actually call it. So color scheme is equal to Monokai Pro. So once run, this should actually convert a color scheme into Monokai Pro. So we'll right and quit this and enter Neovim again, and you can see Monokai was added. So just to show you, we'll just move this user to a backup, and then if we enter Neovim, this is the original Neovim theme, Astronvim theme, and when we actually use Monokai, this is the theme we get. So now we know this works, we can go ahead and introduce Lua steps and create snippets for Python files, let's say. So we are going to head back to here. Now we are going to add another plugin, Lemonade. So L3 MONA D3 M4 D3, I guess. Yeah, this is it. Slash Lua, okay, caps lock, Lua Snip, and we'll just configure it. So config is equal to function plugin opts, and we'll just require the basic settings first. They are under plugins dot config, not dot alpha though, they're under Lua Snip. Here we go, this is the file. So plugin opts. So this includes the default files, and then we'll just add a repository user dot snippets dot snippets, just in case we use different snippet files, and we're gonna end this. So this is our config function. Now this is the file under which we are going to store our snippets. So let's just quit this, right and quit, and under this we are going to make the directory snippets, and we are going to create a file called snippets.lua. Okay, so yeah, the file was not found because we have just created it. This error will be like resolved once we actually save this file on the directory. So first of all, let's just get all the shorthands used in the Lua Snip documentation because they're easy to use. So we'll just head to the help Lua Snip.txt. Inside of this, just over it, we will see all of these shorthands. We're just gonna take all of these, copy them, go back and paste them. And now that it's no longer needed, we can close this buffer. So here are all the shorthands we are going to use, not all of them for now, but yeah, everyone has their own value. First of all, let's just select end of file and let it be base. Okay, indentation resolved. Now we are going to return all of our snippets. So ls dot add snippets should add snippets for our files, and inside of it first we are going to type the file type in which we are going to use. For now I'll use all, and then comma. Now we are going to return a table of all the snippets we are going to use. So s starts the snippets from this line right here, ls.snippet. So s starts a snippet. Let's just say, what should we create? Let's say cur time. So when I type cur time, I want it to return this function node. Okay, why didn't it? Yeah, this function node, which actually stores a function called function function. I wanted to return the os.date in this format. So first I want you to return me the day, and then I want you to return me the time in hours followed by a colon, and then the time in minutes. So end. So okay, let's just check the indentation. Okay, it is off somewhere, definitely. S goes here, so this ends here. Should it? Yes, it should. This function ends here, this function ends right here. Okay, a this, and okay, this should work now. So once we actually like save this file, and then okay, user.snippets not found. Why though? Okay, we are inside of user right now. Okay, so saved the file in the wrong place. We just moved it to the correct place. Now if we okay, no errors. And now if we try to initiate cur time, it returns as the date. So there we go. That's how you configure Astronvim. That's it for this video. This is Tech Tactics signing off.